So just now I reached Puri in Orissa, which is a pilgrimage spot, and many people visit this area. And I was very happy to see so many people around in the beach. The beach looks crowded compared to the last time that I visited last month, and it feels very heartening to see that life is getting to normal, although uh, some precautions need to be taken, and quarantine, although there is no official guideline for quarantine, but still we should follow some social distancing as well as quarantine principles. So that's it, and I'm happy to be at Puri, and as I love the beaches. So in this regard, like while many of my friends are not able to get out of their home and they're kind of stationed at home, I'm able to take my tours of Puri within the last 2 months twice, and I'm supposed to come here for the next month also, and I'll be staying for another 20 to 25 days during that time, so I can visit my relatives and others during that time. So my point today is to get actually what you want, uh, whatever is in your mind, if it is for your good and the good of people around, and you are doing something because of which many people will be benefited, then definitely that comes to happen. And so beach is my one of my weakest place. I love those places. Beaches I love, especially Puri beach. Orissa in India is my native place, and I have been to the beach of Puri since my childhood. Whenever we came to Puri, we definitely visited and spent time at Puri. So this is one of the favorite place, and we always kind of uh, joined our work responsibility with the visit of local places and Puri beaches. We spent always ensure that we spend time at the beach in the morning as well as in the evening. So, today only, if I take today's experience, I started journey, and I was very hopeful in my very high spirit to take this trip, but I received two mails, which I didn't actually like those mails because it was uh, some uh, uh, some comments about something about my work, and like everybody, I also was not happy when comments were made about my work. Um, but again, like these days, whenever you receive something which is not according to your liking, then what you do? Like say, I'm practicing something like taking the mind away from the negativity, the gift in it. Like say, those gifts are invaluable, right? Those gifts come because you are going high, and probably you are ignoring some of the small requirement, that is some improvement that is required to be done in your daily life, and which will prove to be very helpful going ahead. So that is the gift, and like say, I'm recovering from that kind of shock. I actually didn't expect things to be that, because like say, in a journey of 100, last time I was at 50 maybe, or less than 50, and this time I am 80. But 20 is uh, the mark. I still need to travel till I reach 100. So that was my learning. Till I reach 100, it is never perfect. So I should expect comments to happen because it is for my good. And those comments initially are not not very pleasant. So that is fine. And there is another experience also today that was about um, like say I always have a pattern of receiving some not so pleasant news before I get receive a very huge good news. So I was as planning to I'm still planning to receive a very good news shortly, and before that, as per the pattern, although I should not wish those things to happen, but you those patterns are getting repeated, so I kind of observe things happening, and this is not a very good thing that was happening, this comments, and this is kind of a shock for me. I was not expecting it, I should be honest with that. But this is something is happening means I am going to receive a very good news, right? So I would be receiving a very good news shortly, and no question about that. And I'll let you know about that. So, like say, the time that I am with you right now, I want to be dwelling with those feelings. What happens to those feelings? Like say, we always talk about the results, right? The end results. We don't actually talk about the journey that happens. So let me dwell in my journey today. It was not very pleasant. Suddenly around 2:30 or so in the afternoon, I saw some messages which was not very pleasant, not what I liked. But then immediately I was not getting into very sad mood. Uh, I started finding the gift in it. The back of the mind there was a negativity, like say it was not a very good feeling that is there. I should accept it, but at the same time I was trying to see the gift in it, the the flow of events along with it. Very essential that you should one should see the flow of events in whatever is happening. See, uh, not everything will happen according to one's wish, um, purely because all those are not beneficial to your ultimate well-being. That is the only thing, which is why many of the things that we wish in our life doesn't come to pass. And we, although we cannot accept all those things at the moment, but slowly we will realize, on the hindsight we realize that of course it was good for our own good. And that has been a journey of mine. And I'll write that down also, how I am feeling and how to get over that. It was a bit um, more than I could accept, because last 2 3 days I was not I actually was expecting 100%, although I knew that these things will not be. Actually, I cannot believe that it is not 100%, but it is good that somebody doesn't find it to be 100%. It is still 80% or 90%, so that there is room to improve. Of course, there is room to improve always. Whenever we reach, we think we kind of impress the other people also. Then also we in our inner mind also know that it is. Um, It is still there are many more miles to go, and we need to work on that, and definitely always. So that is the feeling today, and right now. Um, so some of you might be wondering what has happened. Like say you are saying you are you have come to Puri, and things have happened according to your wish. There are two or three things that didn't happen also. So in the face of so many things happening, there are two three things that which didn't happen according to my own mindset. That is why I am unhappy, or say kind of be not being able to accept those kind of blessings. So that is that is what we need to practice about, and definitely I am working on it. And when these things happen, like say one feels kind of setback. Mm. And I accept, if you also too feel same way, I also feel the same way. Like say we are human beings, and when something happens, like say it has to be kind of analyzed and seen in a non-detached, it is in a detached manner, so that it is not you, uh, not you, your entire thing. It is a skill that we have acquired, and that is not responsible for our own happiness, the inner happiness. We do aspire for achievements and success and happiness in whatever we are doing, but um, um, happiness is not directly related to our achievements. So that message I keep on getting as I am speaking to you. Also, that thing also kind of uh, hinted me again that you are missing the point when you are feeling sad. So yeah, so I'm being very honest with you when I'm speaking this, and also you, whenever you are listening to this, and whenever you are ruminating about your own thoughts, and the days happening, and whatever you have dreamed about, whatever whatever you have thought about, how much if it has happened, and because something has not happened, your mind actually stops you from progressing, because you are stuck in a in a spiral of sadness, maybe that. But just take a small step and get ahead, like I am doing. Like say sometimes there are, like say, all the things, uh, all your all your tricks you have already taken up, and it is taking time to materialize. Doesn't matter in that, from whatever you have done, and from whatever is happening, the end result, there is a time gap which needs to be endured, and also to be enjoyed, because those are the small step by step, and from one step to the other, one tiny step to the other tiny step, and there are several thousand tiny steps which needs to be taken in order to be again fully into your work speed. And maybe maybe work is not what you are supposed to go. Maybe that stillness is required. The stillness of the mind is required, wherein you are unaffected by the things that have happened, and the things you are expecting to happen, your wish, your desire, those things, those are end result of mm, the picture that we uh, make often, dreams are also are designed according to the expectation of some other people or external circumstances, which is what we need to be aware of and think back, take oneself back into oneself, and that is the process of meditation. And as I'm speaking, I'm so grateful that this realization has happened while I'm speaking to you and sharing my own experience. And I expect you to also deliberate, meditate on the process of the mind that is happening. Expect that everything is within you and you are required to discover that, and for that certain experiences will come to pass. Thank you.